Hey you guys, hey you guys, hey you guys. So I missed you guys so much, and I really didn't have a video to bring since I've been a little MIA for a little bit. So I thought I'd share some of the little finds I've been picking up lately. So this is gonna be like a collective haul, an unboxing, and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and get started because I'm actually on my lunch. So I wanted to, you know, get it out while I had a little bit of time because tomorrow my daughter is graduating. Yay, April. We're dedicating, you know, probably tomorrow and the weekend for her and her celebration, quarantine style and all. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So I do have a few different pieces here. I have some Louis Vuitton, and then I'll just show you briefly a few items that I was able to pick up from Express and is it Nordstrom Rack? Ooh, I don't remember, y'all. But let's go ahead and start. So this box here, is this the right one? I don't know. Some of this stuff is already, I've already had it for like a week or two, and it was in my closet. Oh, this is not the right, the box. But then I have other boxes and stuff inside of here. So, well, I'll just show you the items and we'll just go from there. So the first item I want to share are these Louis Vuitton sneakers. They're called front row sneakers. Actually, these were not on my radar, and then I was on the website and I just stumbled upon them because I was looking at some sandals to get, but the sandals that I wanted, they didn't have my size. So I was just browsing and I came across these and I thought they were so cute. They're simple, but whatever the case is, they're cute to me. So you can just put these on, and I have so many different monogram bags. They match my bum bag, they match my favorites. So they're just some cute little monogram sneakers. This is the back. It has gold Louis Vuitton right there. Is it showing up? It's gold right there. Yay. And so they're really cute, and they're leather in the inside. It has, what does it say? Louis Vuitton Paris. And then I guess the it's a serial number or so here on the tongue. So yeah, these are cute. And so they're called the Louis Vuitton front row sneakers. So starting now, so cute. This is my first Louis Vuitton sneakers. I have Gucci ones, but these are Louis Vuitton. And because they're leather, they slip a little bit. So I ended up going a half size down, and I'm so happy I did. So these are 38.5. Thought I'll share. Cute. I would even wear them like with this little black sweatshirt, and I'll put on like a little bum bag or so. And then because it has that black in the back, super cute. All right, let's move on. My second unboxing, it came in this box. I never received a box like this. I really like this. So I'm gonna use this box in my closet. Right now I just put my stickers in because I got these stickers to go with the item that came in here. So I just put them in here. So like that. I got these at Hobby Lobby the other day. They were like 40 or 50% off. Something like that. And then I got like a little fashion sticker book and all of that. So yeah, it came in this box, and the item that I'm speaking about is this. Oh, let me take this off. This bow didn't come on there. This is a Louis Vuitton desk agenda. Now hold on, I already have a regular agenda. Okay. I already have this GM agenda here that has the snap, and to be honest, I really don't ever use it a lot because I haven't found the proper inserts that I love. So I just got a whole bunch of random DIY stuff in here that I got when I was over in Germany, because that's where I got this at, in Germany. So I just got a whole bunch of stuff. I have like money from us traveling from different countries that I just put in here and stuff like that. So yeah. Oh, and it's even some more Louis Vuitton stuff in here. So that's why I really don't use this one. And I don't want to keep opening and closing my rings on here. So I thought I'll go ahead and try a desk agenda where I can just do an insert and all of that. So yeah, I really love this. I didn't realize this thing is like $800 and something here in the States. Whoa, I couldn't. But yeah, so I have this and I love it. Never gonna part ways with it. I don't really use it ever. So this one I love because I'll be able to put my own book. So I had this book around the house. I got it from like Marshall's or so, and it was $4.99. It's leather and it says notes on there, and it fits so perfect. So now I'm gonna be on a hunt when I go back into like Home Goods and Marshall's and all that to find some more notebooks. But this only has white paper, white line paper, so nothing else is in there. And this is how the inside looks, like that. So it's just nothing, just a cover. So I'll be able to add my like budget book in here and add all of that stuff. And I've been on a website called Cloth and Paper. Apparently she used to be in the corporate world, and now she has accessories and like chic paper and all that. So I'm gonna actually get an order placed, and then when it comes in I'll see how it looks. But look how perfect this notebook looks in here. Oh, so good, right? So good. So yeah, and then I'm gonna just put my little budget book over here, all of that. So that's what I got. This is called a Louis Vuitton desk agenda cover. There we go. And they're pretty much the same size. You see that? Same size. Okay, moving on. So this item just actually came in the mail today. And this is what kind of made me say, hey, I might as well do an unboxing with you guys. Anyways, because it just got shipped here. I ordered it from the store, and then whatever, they ended up overnighting the item. It came in this little tiny pack. I did have the card holder. They sent it to me, but it was like on a store model. The store, like people was playing with it. It was all stretched out, like the card part was all opened and all that. So I just sent it back, and actually the guy just called me to get my card number to give me a refund. It's hard to find those things, but I was not gonna settle just because it's hard to find those things. No, because it was used and like the glazing was already out and all of that. So anyways, this is what I just got in the mail. I have so many of these, but I never got the monogram one, and the quality on here is not all that good compared to, let me go get those. Okay, so I already had this, and I've been having this one so many years. And this one, I guess, apparently was made in France, and like the stitching and all of that is so good, but this one just feels so different, and it doesn't have where it's made. So I'm thinking this is a US piece, and so it's not so good. But I'm not gonna take it back. I'm gonna hold on to it because it just says Louis Vuitton Paris, and I think if it's made in the US, they don't put that anymore, if I'm not mistaken. So I think that's what it is. Only the reason I say it's bad because when I look in here, I can see light. You see, I can see, you can actually see it. I can see light through here because it's not bonded well down through here. But everything else, the hardware looks okay for the most part, you know, so it's good to go. It's just a little piece. I think these are so useful. I use mine all the time. I've been using mine for years, like years. So this is my 4th one that I have. I have the Azure, I have 2 Azure ones, the Damier bean, and now I have the monogram. But yeah, I have cards in mine. I had when I lived overseas for driving, I had my international license in there. So yeah, I kept this thing all the time. So very useful. And then I actually put my keys. I don't put my keys on this part right here. I just leave it tucked in, because I feel like this is gonna give too much wear and tear. So what I do, I put my key through the zipper, and it's not as long. I like, because I already have this little coach thing on here because my key fob is broke. So that's why it's in here. So that's what I do, just like that. So that's how I have those. And some of this stuff can really come off. Like this, what used to be when we lived over in Germany, the buggies used to have, you had to use coins. Like if you go to Aldi's, like there's coins, and this used to be. So some of this stuff is still from Germany, because I really don't use keys too much here while we've been here in the States, because I don't really go too much in this location. Okay, so moving on. I think it's something else I'm missing. I've already returned 2 items. back to Louis Vuitton, and so they're not here. So I've gotten more items and returned it, and I'm actually waiting on 2 more items. My daughter's graduation gift is not going to make it here, but that's okay. That's okay. But anyways, let's move on to something else. Now, I bought these Quay or Quay glasses. Quay Australia is what I believe they're called, and they came out of Dillard's, right? They were only 65 bucks. Look how good they look. Oh, I absolutely love. So these are my latest pair. We got these the other day when we were in Dillard's, like over the weekend, and they're just so fancy. And for it be $65, I think it's well worth it. And the lady let me pick my pouch, and I'm just loving this white for this like upcoming summer season. So I'm loving that. So I think I'm gonna get a little card holder from YSL that's white to match this little cutie right here. And yeah, so that's these. They're by Quay. If I can find them on Dillard's, so I'll try to link them below. But look at the gradients. Just so cute. So cute. This is my 3rd pair of Quay glasses, and I'm really enjoying them. Okay, Coach. I went to the outlet. You may have saw it if you watched my vlog. And let me share the chain with you. It came... Actually, this is the one that I got from the outlet. The one that I purchased online, I had to send it back. They should be receiving it probably today or tomorrow, because Louis Vuitton just received their items. And this is actually the bow that came off the Coach item that went back. So anyways, it came in here, little Coach thing, and it's just a bag chain, and you can just like add it on to your bag and use it, you know, as if you need to use it like that. So that's what this is, just a bag chain from Coach, and there's called, oh, I forgot the name. I'll link it down below if I can locate it. And let's go ahead really quickly and move into some clothing items. Express. I went to Express. I got way more than this, but I'll just show y'all the good stuff, because some of this stuff, it was like 70% off. And I got repeats of things like nice dress tank tops that you can wear under like blazers, under denim jackets. So just stuff like that. If I go back into the office world, it'll be good for things like that. So that's what I got. Ended up getting some white slacks. I got 2, just because I know if I get something on them, and I just want to make sure I have a backup pair. So I'm thinking about wearing these to my daughter's graduation. I'm not quite sure, but I do have a blazer that I'm gonna show you I want to think about too. So they're just some white good old slacks. The colonies, and I like the editor, the way Express clothes fit on me. So that's where I get a lot of my clothes, Express or from Macy's NIC. Like, I like it because the way I'm built, a little chunky here and there, then my weight fluctuates and all that. So their clothes tend to fit really well. So good. These are ankle high-rise, some white slacks. Okay. I picked them up just really for the graduation. I just wanted to have a backup pair. And then I have so many of these. Child, you could just put this on with anything. I have black, red, purple, literally so many. So I saw this and it was like half off. So it was like 20-something bucks. And I thought it was cute. Put them on and go. I even would put it on. I mean, it may be doing too much, but I mean, if you daring, go for it. Put on some black jeans or something. I don't know, but just something to wear. Really cute. This is a romper. So nothing spectacular, but it was just something. It was inexpensive, something to put on. And then this is a jumpsuit. I already have one, but this one is a short, like culottes, like shorter jumper. Yeah, that's that. So nothing exciting really. And then I got like t-shirts and all that from out of there. And then this came out of, what is this called? Nordstrom Rack. We don't actually have a Nordstrom here in this city, but they do have a Nordstrom Rack. Okay, so this blazer was a very good quality, and the original price was $128. It's by Tahiri, and they marked it down. It was said $33. And I was like, oh my gosh. So this was my original plan to wear, but it's super duper hot. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to pull this off for tomorrow for the graduation. It fits really good. Look at that. And I even have like a sweatshirt on under here. I wouldn't button it per se anyways, but let me see if I can move your back. Okay. So look how good that looks. So this is what I may still wear it, because I can even, because it's so stretchy, I'm able just to roll up the sleeves and maybe just put on maybe something like this. I do have a jumpsuit again that I wanted to wear as well, but here it goes. It's like a short sleeveless, so I don't know. So but that's cute though, with the sleeve rolled up, so I may do that. We'll see.